Can eyesight be recovered naturally? I think everybody understands that eyesight can deteriorate due to constant eye strain on a mobile phone screen or a laptop. For our eyes, it is unnatural to stare at a screen for a few hours without rest and without changing the distance to the screen. You cannot find any animal with myopia or hyperopia because they not abuse electronic devices or not read in a bed with the wrong angle, but the structure of the eyes is very similar. Now question, if eyesight could deteriorate, then of course it can be recovered. It is logically 100%. I have had myopia for more than 20 years, and I found a way to improve my vision naturally. It was a lot of trial and errors, but when I started to implement all of these eye exercises and relaxation techniques, I found what is really working to get out of a spasm of accommodation and to cure myopia, astigmatism, and so on. By itself, unconsciously, in the average modern person's lifestyle, eyesight most probably not going to improve. But if you will set aside time and put in some effort, you can improve your eyesight. It's like muscles will not grow without training. Top 3 tips for recovering vision naturally. First, what I did, I listened to meditation for facial muscle relaxation for about 3 months. It is necessary skill to learn how to relax facial muscles. Step-by-step video you can find on my channel. Meditation for facial muscle relaxation. With trained facial muscles, I doubt that you will be able to relax your eye muscle and relieve eye strain. Second, 3 best eye exercises for myopia. You can find a video on my channel. It is an eye exercise to stretch your eye muscle. As soon as you are able to get rid of eye muscle spasm, your eyes will be able to focus at different distances and vision will be recovered. If you want a more in-depth, step-by-step proven course, Eyesight Academy, to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, the link will be in the description below. Third, when you will learn facial muscle relaxation and eye muscle relaxation, you can try more powerful eye muscle stretching eye exercises, which are called sweat-on eye exercises. You can find a video on my channel. Check my other videos to learn more about natural eyesight recovery.